What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. And in this video, I'm going to be updating you on 100x potential. That is Heroes of Mavia. You may be wondering, DXB, we've heard that before. I've heard that before too, but hear me out for a minute. And let me start by dropping this. So first of all, I want at least 1,000 likes in this video. I deserve it. So should you. Actually deserve watching me here talking about Heroes of Mavia, pumping your bags. So smash a like, guys. It is free to like, free to share, free to comment. You might be wondering, DXB, what the hell is CZ got to do with bloody Mavia, man? I'm down on this shit. Let me explain to you. So Mavia is coming to BNB chain, and these are BNB chain bridge Mavia, and you can see the volume has been ridiculous. You're now able to bridge BNB to Mavia. We know BNB has been the cycle's biggest project. And of course, when Mavia goes over to BNB, more liquidity, CZ just got pardoned. Could there be eventually a Binance listing? And I do believe we are looking at one of the cleanest runs for this small, tiny project, only at $12 million. And when I did my Nansen update, you're starting to see whale accumulation with these godlike candles. The price has shot all the way up to 23, 24 cents. Of course, it is going to go up and down with the market, but whereas in the past we had whale accumulations of $100,000 and plus, right now a 32,000 Mavia costs around 7.8K, just under $8,000. And you can see here, these are considered to be very much a big balance purchases, right? So that's what Smart On-Chain is showing in terms of Mavia holdings. And of course, it is going to impact the overall balance of this small cryptocurrency. So when we look at holders are going up. The balances are going up. Everything is going up. Public figures. Smart money, in terms of smart money, of course, they do trade this, and you can see some smart wallets have bought. And of course, in the last 30 days, some smart wallets have also sold, but those are quite insignificant. What you have still is major VCs holding the project, right? So you've got big balances here with Drift Pro, the likes of Drift Capital. You've got AU21 Capital. You still have those big wallets holding. Big Brain Holdings and YZI or YZ Labs holding 0.1% of the supply, or 2.2 million Mavia. So that's all intact. Now, in terms of the major update on Mavia, I think it's pretty obvious. Bridging it to BNB, going across the BNB chain, dare I say it, will it eventually be listed? Now, the picture overall is not what you think. And of course, cryptocurrency by and large is down. And therefore, therefore what you see in here is Heroes of Mavia up with other shit coins for the day. Let's just go. Let me just show you that in clarity so you understand what I'm talking about. There you go. 92% for the day, but you do have other smaller coins as well that are up significantly. Heroes of Mavia again here, open interest. Again, there's a lot of trading on it. I've given you my Bitcoin analysis, but where can we go from here realistically with Heroes of Mavia? And in my opinion, we should at the very least get to the previous all-time highs, right? That is around that $10. If we get an irrational pump of the market, which I expect we're going to have. So we will get, these are the currents, at the moment, $10 is the ceiling. That's where we were. But we do have major, even here, look, around this, previous $1 market would be here, but around this $2, mark. Even going back to $1 is going to be quite insane. But what makes this quite unique is this trading volume, man. Right? What the hell is going on here? Look, the market cap of Mavia is just $12 million. It is absolutely so small. It's unbelievable. Now, when we talk about 100Xs, of course, fully diluted here is 62 million. And you've got to take that into account. You know, you've got to really, really take that into account. The trading volume in the last 24 hours has been absolutely through the roof, right? That's insane. That's the kind of numbers I'd like to see. But when you look at the circulating supply, guys, when you look at the circulating supply, you know, balance that with the max supply here and the total supply of 250 million, this going to a particular price of around $10 is not out of the realms of possibilities. And that's always something you need to keep in mind. Mavia going over to, you know, you cannot underestimate how bullish this is. And I'd like to remind every single one of us, based on the last update that I gave, if you haven't seen my last video, go watch my last video. This is going to be a test in time, in my opinion. We will have Mavia and other cryptocurrencies being tested. Of course, yes, you can go over to the BNB chain. Yes, you can do all of that. But if the market is going down and it's not gaming season, I would say you will have a massive opportunity to collect some Mavia. But going to the BNB chain, guys, it is absolutely no joke. I think this is the start pre-Binance listing. What do you think? I mean, this is a project update. I will be doing other project updates as well. Right now is not the time to panic. And overall, look, all major cryptocurrency, look, say is at 20, what is this? 20 cents. So Mavia is technically outperforming the market. Solana at 200. Of course, BTC, like we said in my previous video, at a level where currently I think it's going to be maybe rejected from, but we need to wait and see what happens. Smash a like if you hold Mavia. Even if you don't, like, comment, subscribe to the video, to the channel, and I'll do more update. Let me know what projects you want me to look at next. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next one.